FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 has been rather noisy early on Friday as the jobs report shocked Wall Street, coming in at twice as hot as anticipated. Because of this, the market looks as if it is trying to consolidate a little bit after that surprising move to the downside. But ultimately, I think this is a market that if you give it enough time, it will find reasons to go higher. After all, we have seen a lot of chop and noise, but at the same time, we have seen a lot of upward momentum from a longer term perspective. I believe that Wall Street still thinks the markets are going to get loose monetary policy. That seems to be everything that they're all about. So, I do like the idea of buying the dip. I do think that it is probably only a matter of time before we break the highs. And I believe it is probably only a matter of time before we get to the 5,000 level. If that's going to be the case, then I think the 5,000 level is a nice psychological target, but it's also going to be a major battlefield. That's an area where I think you're going to see a lot of profit taking. I don't know whether or not it is going to be the be all end all of the market, but I certainly think it's going to be a massive barrier that people will have to deal with. Underneath the 4,800 level should be rather support. So I think at this point in time, that's your floor. The 50-day EMA is starting to reach toward that area as well. So I like the idea of looking for that support. No interest whatsoever in shorting stocks. Quite frankly, I could give you 100 reasons to, but the market doesn't care. It's all about momentum. And until that changes, you have to play the market in front of you, not the market you think should be.